In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect TradeZella to TradingView. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Add Trade button inside your dashboard, and then here you want to click on Add New Account at the top right. Whenever you do this here, you want to look for TradingView. So TradingView, and as you can see, you can go ahead and connect TradingView paper trading. So that's the only thing you can actually connect. So click on it over here and click on continue. And then here it's going to basically show three different options. You have the auto sync, which isn't yet available for TradingView paper trading. You have the file upload, where you can basically upload the broker provided file with your trading history. So if you click on that, press continue, you'll basically get your tutorial over here on how to do this for TradingView, and then you can just select your time zone, date format, and then the broker company as well. And then here you can just upload the file, and it's going to basically get connected in there, which is very, very simple. And then here you also have the option to add manually, where you can add in your trades manually by selecting your type, your symbol, and then also basically creating executions, clicking save trade, and it's gonna get connected to TradingView. So that's the only way to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.